Hey guys, this is Spencer Iverson, CEO of TRVL Travel, the real vacation lifestyle. This is Tanya Mizell Joseph. To your left, Mr. Denson Taylor. And this is my partner,
Mark Sterling, Chief Operating Officer, again, TRVL, the real vacation lifestyle. If you want to have peak life moments, peak life experiences, travel the world, maybe on 5-star resorts, but most likely on 2-star prices, you want to become part of this incredible membership that we offer. We encourage you to take a look at this incredible weekend that we've had with our leaders, because we're going to honor them, we're going to reward them. Most importantly, you are them.
Guys, we're having an amazing time. We're already experiencing luxury travel. If you're ready to have fun, if you're ready to have some moments that are absolutely unforgettable for you and your family, you want to be a part of this movement. Don't take our word for it. Just watch some of these pictures and these images that we captured at the Royalton Chic Resorts right here in Cancun. Guys, we're talking about Neiman Marcus experiences at Walmart prices. Come on and join us.
I love travel because it creates priceless lifetime experiences that you can share with your friends, your family, your loved one that never ever goes away.
Travel is that life's reward.
This is living, this is life, and the exposure, the experience, the fact that it's a gift you get to share with other people and help other people have that exposure, it's absolutely priceless.
Let's get it!
When you can work and play and not know the difference, at that point you have arrived. So to be in a business of helping other people to do that, I think just makes perfect sense.
What is there not to love? You got the ocean, the scenery out here, just different experiences, and it's a chance to just get away and relax and, just unplug from the stresses and things in your life.
I feel like life is short, so we should be living it to the fullest.
The world is ours, the world should be yours. You should always be traveling.